Hello guys, me Figg, and today I'm going to be reacting to this video of a tale about Mindy the Fox. I'm hoping it's not going to be one of those sad stories again. Okay, I get very emotional around these. Let's do it. Aw, she found her secret power. That's nice. I think the time when I went and just did stuff, like when I was with my parents. Oh, I wonder if there's anything good. Oh my god. Not a hunter? Oh, what are we gonna do? Oh no, oh no, oh no. Yeah, just look at the hunter. Alright, okay. Let's see. Okay, that's the mother. Don't do that. Don't do that. No, stay away from the gun. Stay away. Stay away. Stay away. Oh, oh no. Here come the waterworks. Okay, okay, it's okay. I think it should be over. It should be over now. Oh, it's lightning storm. Hopefully they can find some shelter, like somewhere to stay for the night. Okay, at least the father's still alive. Let's see what happens. Okay, yep. So the father's still alive. The mother sadly passed. She's with Jesus. Okay. Uh-oh. The poor thing is by itself. Oh my goodness. If I ever saw it, I would adopt this thing. I would definitely adopt this. I would. Yes, you heard me right. I would adopt this thing and keep it as a pet so I'd make sure this thing wouldn't die. Because we lost our parents. Oh my goodness, as a small little child. What the heck? What the heck is this video? Why was I requested this sad story? Oh my goodness. Okay, she's healing the tree. That's nice. Huh. Okay, I had enough. You should go to jail for murdering a mother of this poor baby. Okay, I'm just gonna end it here. Alright. Oh, that was a good reaction, and sorry I really couldn't react to the whole thing. The iCloud was kind of acting up, so I'm just gonna go to my room now and just stare at the wall, thinking of that the mother and father who died because of that stupid hunter and the stupid lightning.